Hey folks, got a Jeep Wrangler here. Rear shocks. Pretty simple. Did it so fast that I didn't even worry about taping it. But here it is. This is the shock. This might be the original one. Looks like it's eaten up. Got a little bunch of rust bubbles in there. Even though it's still good, it's rotted. Customer wants a new one. So basically, what it is this is an 18-inch nut, 18-inch bolt, and up on top is two 16mm bolts. What did I say? 18-inch? 18mm. This is two 16mm bolts. All right. Basically, just remove one bolt, and the other one you just loosen up, and the shock can slide right out. Okay. I'm going to show you why. Look at the top of this shock. Top of this shock. It's like a little U. It's not a perfect hole. So all you gotta do is just remove one bolt, loosen up this one, and the shock just slid right out. Leave the bolt up in there. When you put the new one on, just slide this right into there. Put the other bolt on, tighten them both up to specs. The other one is two 18mm nuts. Stick it right in there. Put the nut in there and tighten that to specs. All right, if you have it up on the lift like this, the rear end will drop. You're off about maybe 2 inches. Okay, so with me, I use a block of wood with a jack on this bend pack lift, and I just raise the lift. I raise the rear end up just about the 2 inches to make clearance, and I put it in, and it was good to go. All right, this is the Duralast brand shocks. They make 2 shocks for the rear, one for the ones with a 17-inch tire, and the other one is with no 17-inch tire. So this Jeep has 18-inch tires. So with the 18-inch tires, this is the one that I use. TS3431932B. All right, this is for anything other than 17-inch tires. I guess the 17-inch tires uses a special one. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Ciao. And my doggy over there passed out. Peter. Bye.